Hey everyone, welcome back to DC Home Edition and Home Remodeling. From demolition to the final touches, we've got every detail covered. Thinking of remodeling your kitchen? Before you swing that hammer, let's talk numbers. Today, we're breaking down exactly how much a kitchen remodel costs in 2025, from labor to construction materials and finishing materials, so you know exactly where your budget is going. First up, labor. This is often the biggest chunk of your budget because it includes all the skilled trades. Let's break it down. Demolition and prep, $2,000 to $7,000. Plumbing, $2,000 to $4,000 electric. $2,500 to $5,000 or more. HVAC adjustments, $500 to $1,500. Framing, $1,500 to $4,500. Drywall, $3,000 to $5,000. Cabinet installation, $3,000 to $6,000. Flooring installation, $2,500 to $5,500. Backsplash installation, $1,500 to $3,000. Painting, $2,500 to $4,500. Depending on the complexity, labor alone can range from $21,000 on the low end to $46,000 or more. Next are your construction materials, the things you don't always see but make your kitchen functional and structurally sound. Here are the essential construction materials for a kitchen remodel. Lumber, such as standard 2x4s, plywood or OSB sheathing, drywall and joint compound, insulation for walls and cavities, electrical wire, commonly Romex and electrical boxes, copper pipes along with PVC or ABS drain pipes, shut-off valves for plumbing connections, construction adhesive, silicone, and caulk for sealing and bonding, screws, nails, brackets, shims, and finished nails for secure installation. These materials form the backbone of your project, ensuring everything is built strong, level, and ready for the finishing touches. Rough construction materials, framing, lumber, and drywall, $1,500 to $3,000. Electrical materials, $800 to $2,000. Plumbing materials, $800 to $2,000. HVAC supplies, $300 to $1,500. Subflooring and underlayment, $800 to $1,500. Fasteners and adhesives, $200 to $400. This category usually runs between $4,400 and $9,300 depending on kitchen size and scope. Finally, the finishing materials, the design choices you actually see and touch every day. Here is a comprehensive list of finishing materials to consider for your kitchen remodel. Appliances, including refrigerator, range or cooktop, oven, microwave, dishwasher, and optional features such as a wine cooler or ice maker. Kitchen fixtures and finishes, cabinets, cabinet hardware, sinks, faucets, pot filler, countertops, backsplash, garbage disposal, and decorative trim or molding. Electrical devices, GFCI outlets, standard outlets, dimmer switches, USB charging ports, and smart lighting controls. Flooring, tile, hardwood, engineered wood, or luxury vinyl, along with transition strips to adjoining rooms. Final details, wall paint or coverings, baseboards and trim, window treatments, decorative shelving, appliance panels, and vent covers. Appliances, $4,000 to $15,000 or more. Next, hardware and accessories, $300 to $1,000. Cabinets, $7,000 to $25,000 or more. Countertops, $3,500 to $10,000 or more. Backsplash tile, $800 to $2,500. Plumbing fixtures, $500 to $1,500. Flooring, $2,500 to $6,000 or more. Electrical fixtures, $1,000 to $3,000. Paint and caulking, $500 to $1,200. This part of the budget varies wildly depending on whether you go for stock, semi-custom, or fully custom finishes. Now let's do the math. Here are the complete kitchen remodel cost by range. Let's break it down. Category labor, low estimate, $21,000. High estimate, $46,000 or more. Rough building construction materials. Low estimate, $4,400. High estimate, $9,300 or more. Finishing materials. Low estimate, $20,100. High estimate, $47,200 or more. Total project cost, $45,500 for a low-end remodel, $102,500 or more for high-end remodeling. So whether you're going basic or going big, knowing these numbers will help you plan smarter and avoid budget surprises. We hope this breakdown serves as a great help to you and gave you an idea on how much it costs for a kitchen remodel in 2025. If you're in the DMV area and planning a remodel, addition, or custom home build, give us a call at 703-980-3266. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss helpful remodeling tips.